creating an interactive design in Figma, a common process is to create a scrollable page with elements that move along the page. Sometimes you may have objects you want to remain in a fixed position when a user scrolls through the page, such as this sidebar in this example. In this video, I will show you how to fix those elements. Before you fix an object into position, you need to add all the elements you want on the page. Then ensure that you added all the elements to one frame. Here I have already created this image gallery with sidebars that I want to remain in place when scrolling through the images. As you can see, for now all the objects are scrollable, but we will change that shortly. First, select the object or multiple objects that you want to remain fixed when scrolling. In my case, I will select my two sidebars here, these blue rectangles and the image logos on top of it. Once all the objects are selected, open the Prototype tab here in the right-hand panel. Here you will find the Scroll Behavior section with the Position drop-down menu. By default, the position setting is set to Scroll with Parent, which indicates that the objects will move with the rest of the objects on the page when scrolling. When you want to fix elements to remain in place, you can either set it to Fixed, which keeps the object in its original position, or select Sticky, which keeps the object stuck to the top edge of the screen. If you want to learn more about sticky positioning, check out our video about how to create a sticky position when scrolling in Figma. You will find the link in the video description. I will go with Fixed for my page. You can see whether all the objects you selected are set to Fixed by looking at the Layers panel here on the left side. The panel divides the objects on the page into the ones that will scroll and those that will remain fixed. To test the page on a mockup of the device you are designing for, click this Present button here at the top right of the workspace, which looks like a play icon. This will open a new tab in your browser. Alternatively, you can click on the play icon next to your frame. You can also do that by the shortcut Shift+Space on Mac or Windows. Once the window is open, you can scroll using your mouse to check whether the gallery scrolls correctly and the sidebars remain fixed in place. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.